Hello students, welcome back to social science class. Today let us continue history lesson number 2, our Karnataka. Today let us start with the education and healthcare of Mysuru division. Let us start from that. And Mysuru is an education center and it has better literacy rate also, and education sector received good encouragement from the rulers of Mysuru. The University of Mysuru was established in 1915 and now it is century old Mysuru University. Many districts of this division have engineering and medical colleges. Mangalore University is there in Dakshina Kannada district. There are many private universities in this division. The Central Food Technology Research Institute is in Mysuru city. The Suttur Mutt has contributed a lot in the field of education. You can see here Suttur Mutt at Suttur, Mysore, the Central Food Technology Research Institute of Mysore. Pictures you can see here. All the districts of this division have district hospitals, and there are rural sub-health centers in rural areas to provide medical care for the rural people, means village people. And next one is the facilities to pregnant women, health assistants and ASHA workers are available here. This division has the lowest child mortality rates, and the life expectancy of the people is better. More death rate is less here, and maternal mortality rates also lower here, and these are the indicates of better health status of the people. From this we can understand better health status of the people. Next one is cultural heritage. Here Mysuru division is rich in cultural heritage. The nature is at her best is in this division, and this division is home to the dense forest. Already we discussed that dense forest, rivers, diverse of wild animals, amazing waterfalls, marvelous art and architecture and good literature also we can see we are getting from this division. And the temples of Somnathapura and Belur are known for their Madanika ideals. Gomadeswara, Madanika ideal means you can see the picture, it is then Beluru, we can see more, that is very important. And it is this temple Somnathapura and Belur temples are famous for Madanika ideals. Gomateswara, a monolithic ideal of Shravanabelagola, also belong this division. Many temples of this division are known for their architecture and stone carving. And the districts of Mysuru division have huge potential for tourism. So many people are visiting here. It is famous for the tourism. You can see here Shravanabelagola monolithic. Monolithic means a single stone structure. Okay, that is Gomateswara. It is in Shravanabelagola. You can see the picture. Madanika ideal in Beluru. These are famous. River Kaveri is the lifeline of Karnataka. Maybe you all heard about that Kaveri river. We are getting water facility throughout Karnataka from this river Kaveri. It originates in Talakaveri of Kodagu district. This division has coastal line running into the hundreds of kilometers. Fishery, ports, sea-based adventure sports, education institutions are seen here. You can see the picture of Talakaveri where the river Kaveri originates, and sea-based adventure sports. You can see the picture here. Next, let us see about the freedom fighters of Mysuru division. The districts of this division were at the aim of the freedom struggle. Khadi was closer to Gandhi. Production centers in the form of cottage industries were widely available in this division. Khadi production centers we can see here in this division. Kudmal Rangarao of Mangaluru dedicated his life for the upliftment of untouchables. And you can see some H.C. Dasappa, Yashodhara Dasappa, Karnad Sadashiva Rao, H.K. Veeranna, Veeranna Gowda, K.T. Phasyam, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya. These are they are all participated in the freedom struggle, and many were involved in the Karnataka integration movement also. Like this, this district of Mysuru have achieved national and international fame. And Mysuru Dasara festival is popular internationally also. And the district of Mysuru has achieved national and international fame. The Mysuru Dasara festival is popular and it is glimpse of world famous Mysuru Dasara in Mysuru. You can see the picture, it is world famous. And with this we are concluding about the history, freedom fighters, art, culture, education and healthcare of the Mysuru division. Next class we will discuss about the different districts of the Mysuru division. Thank you students.